It's me, Simon, and I'm back with another guide. Well, I don't really have any other guides, but this guide in particular is going to be about whether to use OBS Classic or OBS Studio. So, obsproject.com, I'm going to go over here, /download. Here you can see we're at the download page. And over here is OBS Studio at the top. If you want to see what OBS Classic is, then you can go down below. Just scroll down. See, OBS Classic is no longer supported or maintained. Please use OBS Studio for new projects. That's why when I used OBS, I used the OBS Studio. I personally think OBS is really hard to use. Unless you're a gamer, that's pretty much the only reason why you'd use it. You can live stream to Twitch and all these other stuff. But if you are a gamer and you're trying to download this, definitely choose OBS Studio. It also supports Mac and Linux. Linux is they haven't developed it that much, but it's better than nothing. You don't get Linux or not much anything in OBS Classic. It's really old, so they stopped using it and updating it more than a year ago, almost 2 years ago. So yeah, I would use this. Just click the download installer. If you use Linux, some instructions will pop up. Mac and Linux are not as nice, so definitely use the Windows if you have Windows. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe and comment down below. Please leave a like. No dislikes, please. And thank you for watching.